Okay, if f of x is reflected across the y-axis to give g of x, what will the graph of g of x look like? Now, the graph of the function f of x, which is the cube root of x, is shown here in green. Now let's draw g of x, which is going to be f of x reflected through the y-axis, and the function g of x is going to be in red. And there it is right there, in which we see that all x's have been mapped to negative x, but all y's are mapped to y. So the y values don't change by reflection through the y-axis, but the x value does change to negative x. So we can show that for any point. So pick a point on either graph. Let's pick g of -2. And so that would be about right here. And what we'll see is there's a corresponding point on f of x such that f of 2 is equal to g of -2. And we could show that by drawing a horizontal line from this point and show that it intercepts the graph of f of x at x is equal to 2. So f of 2 we see is equal to a value between 1 and 2, just as g of -2 is equal to the same value of y. So that's what a reflection through the y-axis will generate.